YouTube? It's your boy Meanbean back in full effect as usual. We out here in the SC already on a Friday morning. It's a little cloudy type shit. It don't really look like it's like, you know, not like the grandest day already, but we're gonna make it a grand day. You gotta make every day a grand day. You know what I'm saying? You can't let one thing down it. Nothing like that. This tractor trailer know he ain't got no business coming down here through this city. He just the outcast. These roads ain't wide enough for this shit. Shit, he the reason why they be mad potholes. Be niggas like him, heavy ass trucks and shit. And folks on the way, I gotta turn. And they just won't let me get over. But anyway, how y'all doing, man? Y'all doing good? Hope so. Shit, hope everybody doing straight. You know what I'm saying? New people, old people, the new people to the channel, the people that's been here with the channel already for a while now. Like, I appreciate y'all. You know what I'm saying? People that's been here for the channel, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you know what I'm saying, share, encourage the others to like, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Helps your boy, helps motivate me to, you know what I'm saying, do more videos and shit. Yeah, that Jeep definitely hit the curve just now. But no, it just helps me motivate to do more videos, more content. I know I keep saying that I got some stuff on the way, but y'all, I'm sure everybody understands, because everybody lives life, you know what I'm saying? But life has just been, it's been lifing right now. A few things, you know what I'm saying, going on in the background type shit. But we're gonna make everything add up, and everything gonna be shit kosher. It's gonna be some entertaining video. I got some races coming up. I think y'all are gonna like that. Races coming up. I'm not gonna tell you between what cars yet. Just know that while this car is in its stock form, I'm getting as many races as I can with it while it's like this right now. Because once it's, wow. I don't know if y'all might have seen that, but the little gray Honda up there just beat the hell out of the little median. But nah, it's because once it's not stock anymore, or, you know, this fast, slow, whatever, it's gonna be an issue. So I want to race as many people, because then I'm gonna run it back. Everybody that beats my ass, I'm going to run it back with them. So I'm not taking it personal. You know what I'm saying? I accept any races. I'll probably get dog walked by quite a few, because again, we're just gonna see what happens though. I'm not gonna say, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna be I'm gonna get my ass left and no shit like that, because I might leave somebody. You never know. But first stop, oh, god damn. First stop, post office. So I'll be right back, y'all. Alright, and just like that, we are back in the whip. You gotta turn this bitch on, cause alright. Look at the view. Flexion game go crazy. With the tinted out windows and whatnot. Get up out of here. Alright, and I gotta make this weird little tricky turn right here. It shouldn't be that bad. I should be able to see. Oh yeah, I'm good now. Got a little pull. I swear 12 they don't be active out here until like you least expect them to be active. They really don't do a whole lot though for real. 12 up here be chilling. It's kind of nice. Like, for one thing I can say, they don't care about window tint. That's a fact. Like, I never even really got, I mean, maybe like a couple rookies probably looked at me sideways because of my window tint, but like, they really don't care. Oh, no, it didn't just fall. Me and do an edit, because that didn't happen. No, but so over here really ain't bad, like a bad. I haven't had any problems, you know what I'm saying, with them so far, but we're gonna keep it that way. Cause they definitely out here trying to disguise vehicles and shit. And I'm not with it. Cause they don't need no money from me. Well, nah, they don't need no money from me. They need some money to fix these roads, but they're not focused about that. They focus on making a new town hall and shit. That's a lot of people in this lane. I mean, it's a lot of people in this lane. This is I'm taking a shortcut through the neighborhood because all of y'all. Get stuck at that light, sitting there on the little back neighborhood. People always look at me weird as fuck when I you know, like go over a speed bump, like type sideways and shit. Like he just gave me the weird look in the Ford truck. Like he turned towards me though, and I literally just be trying to like just get across the speed hump, go on about my day. Graham's looking at me, he like, what the fuck? It's low car shit. Lowered it. We got that camera on them things. Don't play with them. I support all bills. Gotta support all bills, cause you know what I'm saying? Just because you might not have the same style as somebody else don't mean they shit ugly just because you don't like it. You know what I'm saying? You cannot like, they cannot like your shit. So your shit ugly? It's type shit. Respect all builds. It's a little warm for the pop sun. Yes, sir. Back over here to this damn grocery store. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting a little things from my mom. You know what I'm saying? Getting shit done. Actually, I'm gonna go over here because I just have a really bad feeling about y'all slow asses, and I don't know. Everybody here, they I guess my car just shocks people maybe because it's tinted out, just all black car on the ground. A lot of people don't know what the hell this is. I kind of like that, low-key. Damn, it's not even raining that hard. This SUV got them wipers going crazy in front of me. Like, it's really not even raining for real. And they just got them wipers going stupid. Oh, was that a dog? Oh, I thought that was a human. Well, I was like, what the hell? Calm, little hairy. It's about to be the beginning of out. Out is just the time of the day around here that I'm not coming out because it's just gonna be people going mad slow, so many mad dumbass decisions made. I just don't come out during certain times of the day up here. It's crazy as fuck, right? I'm at work. Getting off of work out here is crazy because the roads ain't big enough. There's too many people. Y'all know what that creates. Hell of traffic for no reason. It'd be like that one person going slow as hell, and everybody just got to deal with it type shit. That's what's out here. Or every time somebody make a turn, they slow that way down. I'm talking about like way down. I really gotta get over. Fuck it, I'm gonna just get over right here with the Sequoia. And I'm gonna goddamn bust this right into the Ingles. Good power steering. A little bit of rub there, but it's alright. Just had to send it. Oh, what the fuck I'm about to park it. I'm about to park right here in the front. Cause why not? Let's go ahead and park this shit. It don't even gotta be parked correctly for real, as long as it's in the space. And I'll be right back. I'm not sure what part of the video I'm gonna toss this in, but I'm gonna be back in a second. I'm gonna click y'all on just like this.